Hey guys, welcome back to another session where we're using advanced technical analysis to find trading opportunities in the market. All right, so for today, we're looking at Aussie yen. And one thing I want to highlight about Aussie yen is that there is this very strong support level over here. Okay, I'm going to put it as my entry. The reason for this is because you can see that price was reacted off this level very strongly, right? And now it's finally broken up above it, and now it's kind of working its way down. Okay, so this is obviously a key level to watch out for. What we do next is we draw a Fibonacci retracement from bottom to the top, and we see if it lines up with any levels, right? Okay, you can see the 61.8% retracement is quite close. If our starting point is over here, the 50% is quite close. So we're going to have both the 50% and the 61.8% both at this level over here. Okay, so we already see an area of support. Next thing we're going to do is we do a Fibonacci projection from here down to here, up to here. And we see whether it could be on the 127. There we go. A 127 projection is right about there, right? So we have 150%, we got 1127, and we got 61.8, and we have a swing high pullback support. A couple of key levels lining up there very nicely. Next thing I'll do is looks like a five-wave kind of, it looks like a five-wave kind of extension that comes down to here, almost. One thing that I do is to take here, down to here, up to here, and see where's the 61.8. It's just about there. So this to me is like a wave 5 projection. It looks kind of like a wave 5. I'll show you what it looks like. Looks like a 1, kind of 2, 3, 4, 5 down here. Okay, so quite a number of levels lining up there nicely. We're going to play a bounce here. How far we're going to play the bounce? Okay, if you want to play it play it really tight. I'll play it to this level, to this recent pullback as my take profit. I'm going to keep my stop loss really tight. I'm going to keep my stop loss below the 61.8. Okay, so this is the 61.8. As you can see over here, I'm going to move my stop loss just slightly below it, so I have a good risk reward. And this should be enough for today, to make, just wait for price to inch down a little bit more and before touching this level and bouncing up. Okay, this should be enough for the move for today to call to call a bounce, right? So the bounce from 82.03, up to minimally 82.96. That's a good 90 pips, and our stop loss at 81.44. All right, so that's it for me. Hope you find this video useful, right? And tune in again tomorrow for more high probability setups using advanced technical analysis, guys.